The best way to learn is by doing so. Welcome to the video service that unlocks and reveals the hidden value in your SAP system. Hello, everyone. Martin here, and I'm thrilled to engage with you on some of the information insights that you can draw from Capacity Evaluation SAP. This powerful area of SAP is often underutilized. So today, we'd like to show you some ways that it can be used to help with answering questions in your organization. To lead us through this walkthrough today is Tom, who has a ton of practical information and experience in this area. So Tom, take us away and share a lot about capacity evaluation.
Hey, Martin. Well, when we think of capacity evaluation, it's often around the challenge of either being over capacity or figuring out a run plan for a work center or resource that are not fully booked out. Both are good uses of this functionality, but today I want to take it a little further and hopefully show something that is new to you. First, we'll go in and look at our work centers that have a current backlog that needs addressing. Next, I'll show you how to accumulate capacity and requirements to see what the planned recovery date or next bookable date for that work center looks like. And lastly, I'll extend the time horizon and change to monthly buckets for a longer term outlook. Let's go in and take a look.
Now we're going to dive into SAP and look at capacity planning and how we can understand our current state of what's happening and also future state of what's going to happen. We'll begin our journey today by looking at CM04. CM04 is going to show us any backlog production that we have on a work center. So this list, if we come in here, I'm going to put in my work center, which is already loaded, in my plant. When I look at this work center in this plant and select the overview, it's going to pull up any backlog work that's on this work center for me to see. Now, as I click deeper into this, just by double clicking in, I can see the requirements of what's out there, what my production is behind that. This allows me to focus on these orders first, knowing that we're behind and it's tying up capacity that we did not plan for today because these are past due orders that have not been completed.